Now, dear student, last topic is change in state. Means in some reactions you can see the states of the reactants changes into the next state. Means here is one example. When you burn the candle, means wax. Exactly when wax is burned or combust, then water is also formed at the means in a liquid at first. Then when you just keep on heating, then it also evaporate in the form of the gaseous form, and CO2 gas also is formed. Means solid state of the wax has been converted into the other states. Means at first liquid, water, then gaseous, carbon dioxide. So this is one example of the change in state. You can collect more. Means in some reactions you find that when you give the solid, then either it is liquid or the gaseous is formed. Means when you take the other examples you may see here. Suppose when you take the zinc granules, here you can see zinc is solid and it is liquid, solution along with gaseous is formed. Means there is found the change in the physical state. Now some reactions may show more than one characteristics. Earlier we discussed, means reactions can show one characteristics also, and they can show more than one characteristics of the chemical reaction also. Means here is one example here, two examples. When zinc is allowed to react with the dilute hydrochloric acid, then zinc chloride along with the hydrogen gas is formed. Means we read in the evolution of gas. It means यहाँ पे गैस भी बनता है प्लस heat भी release करता है. Means there is found to have a change in temperature also. Means earlier the temperature of reactant was something, but after reactions it is found to have a change in temperature, that is increase in temperature. Means here in this reaction you can write two characteristics are involved, that is evolution of gas and releasement of the heat also, means change in temperature too also. Now next, when you take the slaked lime and when you just blow using the help of the straw into the test tube containing the slaked lime, then what happens? Calcium carbonate, means solid product, try to accumulate in the test tube as a milky white PPT plus water liquid. Means here it is precipitation reactions, means PPT of the CaCO3, that is the calcium carbonate in a solid form is formed along with the change in color also. Means color देखने को मिलता, means initially they were the colorless, and when you have the reactions you will get the white color, milky white PPT of the CO2. Means involvement of change in color plus PPT reactions has been shown. Means more than one characteristics also can be seen or can be found in the different chemical reactions. Just you remember this. I think up to here, up to characteristics of the chemical reactions, I think you might have been clear. Now it is time for discussion of the chemical equations. Means what is meaning of chemical equation? Means when we represent the chemical reactions occurring in a systematic in the form of the equations are called chemical equations. There are some process of the writing chemical equation, later on we shall discuss, but here is some steps. At first you have to mention the word equations. Means you have to write the name of reactant in the form of word. So the magnesium, you have to write the name of magnesium, MAGNESIUM, in this way, means in the form of the word. At first, number one, write the chemical reactions into the word reactions or the word equations. Later on you have to convert this word equation into the skeletal equation. Now what is the meaning of skeletal equation? Means now you have to write the molecular formula of that particular reactant and the product so formed up to the reactions. Finally, if the chemical reactions is unbalanced, because every chemical reactions need to follow the law of conservation of mass. So you need to balance the number of atoms involved with the particular element on the both sides. So you need to balance the chemical equation at finally using the suitable whole number. Then only you can say the well balanced chemical equations. So this is the process how you can express the chemical equation of certain chemical reactions that are occurring in our lives.